Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money with Medium on Clickbank and AI. So here you will need Medium and Clickbank account. First you need to create a free Medium account. Go to medium.com, sign up, set up your profile with a niche focus, for example, helping people find digital tools that change lives or things that you can earn this year or 5 ways to make passive income this year. Everything is up to you. So choose a niche like health, wealth, or relationship, top performers on ClickBank. So first, create an account on ClickBank. Once you have created an account on Medium, now go to ClickBank and then sign up an account here. Sign up for free. Now that you have your ClickBank account, what you're going to do is you have to go to the marketplace or affiliate, browse top performing products like business and e-marketing. And then you have to look for products with gravity score above 20 means others are making money and recurring commission like monthly passive income. So you can see it right here. You have to look for that specific platform or specific product. Now, once you have found that product, then what you're going to do is you have to make sure that you can generate the link of this product. For example, this one, all you have to do is generate the link and then you can just share or promote this to your social media account, also with the help with Medium. So how are you going to do that? Once you have your link to promote on ClickBank, you can now go to ChatGPT to ask for a help, like write a 1,000 word for Medium titled three AI hassles or side hassles that actually work in this year, and then include one section that study promotes a ClickBank product in the make money online niche. You can ask for that. Once that you have this already, then you can copy this one or you can edit this one or make it more better and then go to Medium and then publish the article. So once you have your article already and your link or affiliate link from Clickbank, you can now basically publish or post this to your social media account. So you can follow this one right here with the link from Clickbank, and that's how you promote. Once they click that one, once the reader or the viewers click the link, it will take them directly to your Medium, and then they will see also the link that you have added there from Clickbank. They will visit the Clickbank, they will buy, and you will earn the commission. And that's how easy it is. All you have to do is to embed affiliate link naturally. Now, like what I've mentioned, promote your Medium article to your Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, everything is up to you. And then repeat and scale, write at least 1 to 2 Medium articles per week, test different product angles, and use AI to generate faster content without burnout. So basically, that's how easy it is to make money with Medium on ClickBank and AI.